Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome. Let's start this lesson with a new French word. Le poulet. Le poulet, meaning the chicken. Le poulet. So how would you translate this English sentence into French? The chicken is for me. Le poulet est pour moi. Le poulet est pour moi. How would you say, I think the chicken is delicious? Pour moi, le poulet est délicieux. Pour moi, le poulet est délicieux. And what about the chicken is for him? Le poulet est pour lui. Le poulet est pour lui. Le poulet est pour lui. How would you translate this? The chicken is very good. Le poulet est très bon. Le poulet est très bon. How would you say, chicken here is always absolutely fantastic? Le poulet ici est toujours absolument fantastique. Le poulet ici est toujours absolument fantastique. Here is another word for this video lesson. La dinde. La dinde, meaning the turkey. La dinde. So how would you translate this? The turkey is for her. La dinde est pour elle. La dinde est pour elle. How would you say, the turkey is not for me? La dinde n'est pas pour moi. La dinde n'est pas pour moi. Let's recall the words and phrases The turkey is not for me. La dinde n'est pas pour moi. La dinde n'est pas pour moi. Let's recall the words and phrases we covered so far. What is the meaning of pour lui? For him. Non, meaning no. Oui, meaning yes. N'est pas, meaning isn't. And what is the meaning of pour elle? For her. And what about mauvais, meaning bad? That's all about today. See you soon. A bientôt. Thanks for watching that video, guys. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button down below for more amazing videos and updates. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and keep learning.